Today I'm going to show you how to mix different art style to create something new. First, choose the brush tool, then choose a different color and put two cross marks, and it doesn't have to be perfect. Then choose a different brush, then choose a random color and put two random lines. It doesn't have to make any sense. Now create a layer and do the same thing, put a different brush and different color and do a random thing. You can change the blending mode of the layer and you can see different types of options and the effect it has on the photo. So we will go with something subtler. Now I have downloaded some things from online. You can just simply drag it, use the blending option to create the desired thing you want. Then we will do the same thing with our next photo, and the blending option is a very fun tool. You can do lots of things with it. Finally, we'll go to filter and choose noise to make it a bit gritty and grainy. And lastly, we will distort it and we'll use pinch. And yeah, so this is how it looks. I hope it helps.